What's cracking, YouTube? Black Melter P. Back with another little video, man. Today's agenda, we ain't got too much going on. We're gonna go for like a little POV, well, the best POV drive I can do. Show y'all what it's like a weekend back on driving stand and whatnot. So let me show y'all the wheels and the tires. I need to get these bitches replaced because I feel like I have a little vibration in them. But yeah, need to get those hoes replaced ASAP. This feature of the car right here. This feature. All right. So on today's agenda, man, we just finna go on a little POV type deal drive. Really just trying to show y'all the progress in my manual driving ability. You know what I'm saying? I'm still rusty, still not the best. I still fucking struggle getting out of first gear a little bit. Like it's still a little bucky, but it's me and my timing needs to get a little better. But so far, man, it's been a weekend. The car is fucking running good. AC's blowing cold. I do have an issue though. Like whenever I like do like a little power skid or something like that, the AC stops working until I turn the car off and turn the car on. If y'all know anything that or any reason why that would be, let me know. I really appreciate that. So yeah, first things first. For all my sneaker tweakers out there, these are just regular AF1s, but you know, they dirty and whatnot. I'm finna toss them. But for all my manual drivers out there, man, get you some slip-ons, man. And these are the strays. You know what I'm saying? Get you some slip-ons, man. It just feels good. I don't know how to explain it. It just feels right, you know. But yeah, we got a little cruise today too. We're doing a little cruise, a little JDM cruise. I'm gonna be hanging back because my car's still stock right now, but it is what it is. So let's get out here and get on the road. And yeah, I'll tap back in with y'all when I find an area good enough to, I guess, record. All right, kind of found a little area. If I'm not mistaken, I remember I used to work back here back in the day. And they had some kind of windy roads. It was kind of windy a little bit, so. Mind you, we still hear the death knocking. Parts on the way though. But as I drive this car, I hear different little sounds that I hear that I don't like. Like the cats, I feel like it's the cats. They kind of sound like hollow. I don't know how to explain it. But if I can kind of step on it, you might hear what I'm talking about. Hear that? Out here just trying to, you know, learn good downshift points and just how the car handles in its stock form before I throw all the, you know, little modifications that I'm gonna throw on it, you know. That was a decent downshift, but it definitely could have been better. Just head back the way I came. Traction control off this time. right now. That's for now. Downshifts right there. Spinning. Man, I can't wait to get those bushes in that brace, bro. Are quite bumpy. And trying to get down, but it's all right. Just here learning. I get back used to, standard. Y'all a little power skid up here. I used to do this every day. I had like I said, I had a stock sedan. The motherfucker was slammed, bro. And I used to come over here. I used to work over here, and every day I leave, bro. I'll spin out that bit. Pretty chill, though. Pretty chill. Silver Creek. Boy, I hated this job. I ain't gonna lie. I hated this job. Oh, water truck right there. Make sure the dog is good. right now, after that little power skid, my AC just not blowing cold. Not blowing cold. Like it's blowing, but it's not blowing cold. It has like a chill to it, but it also just don't feel cold. Maybe I'm just tweaking. Right now it's blowing cold. It's weird. Man, I went to go get some tint on this thing today, bro. Like I said, $400. I was like, ooh. Yeah, brother. Good business. Not for me. Not for me. So, man, I gotta get better at these downs. And they still ain't fixed this dip right here. Don't look hard, boy. You'll bottom out on that now. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. Appreciate y'all for tapping in on today's little POV and listen to me yap while I drive. Like I said already, man, I appreciate everybody who subscribed on the last video. Man, if y'all could, man, I really appreciate it. If you like, subscribe, and commented. Also, man, share a video, man. Just share the video to your YouTube, to your Instagram. You know what I'm saying? It helps me feel good. You know what I mean? I really appreciate it. You dig? But yeah. Peace out, man. Y'all stay safe. Have a good rest of the night.
Smoke good gas, man, I'm hella faded. 93 octane, I'm elevated. I stay with the tree, without it, I'm jaded. Dancing on the moon like mama, I made it. And she's so proud of her little baby. I've been doing big things, I'm on a rise lately. I won't move unless a nigga pay me. Really started at the bottom, but I'm about to make it. I can't move unless a nigga pay me. Gotta know your worth, nigga, and I'm worth the payment. I don't really give a fuck if a nigga hate me. Big body, big